For those that were asking about creating your designs in Canva and then them having to go into a design space. So one option, instead of saving each image individually, sometimes I will put multiple images on one sheet and just save it as a PNG with those two files. And then what I'll do is I'll go into Design Space, and when I'm uploading my file, I will click the one that has, multiple, whatever I just saved. And then you can, I'm going to give you two options. So one is you could crop it out. So you would then just crop over the one that you want. And then, as you can see, it's just the one flat graphic. So, I'm going to upload that. But then I'm also going to show you an option where you could contour. So, let me, whatever, resize that down. Okay, so next option would be to upload it, but instead of cropping it, you will just keep all your images on there. Hit continue, hit upload. I don't know 100% if this is going to work, but we're going to try it. Go to contour. Hold on, baby. And then you will just remove all of the contours from the one you didn't want. Sometimes it can be a little difficult, and sometimes you kind of have to find them. But so I don't really know why I did this one, but whatever. So when I've taken all those away, if I exit out, you will see it's now down just to that. So that's an option too. And then what I like to do is, it's I would duplicate it, right? Because it would be my pair. But then you could copy it a third time, hit contour, and then you could go through. I would just hit hide all contours and just make sure that you're clicking just the ones. Hold on, bud. Okay, I'll get it. And just try to keep the ones that are for the second image that you're wanting. Again, it can be a little bit finicky. I don't know which one is necessarily easier or better, but sometimes I'm just a little extra lazy, and that keeps you from having to re-upload each individual one, because then you could just duplicate that. So that's an option too that I wanted to offer. Sorry about my kids yelling and all that in the background.